Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, hello sobat hebat matsasurba. Welcome back to online English lesson for SMP or MTS grade 8 with me Heru Haryadi. In this video, we will discuss about simple past tense part 2 that will focus on affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi robba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika shalihin. Well students, in the last video we already discussed about simple past tense, but in that video we focused on how you comprehend the simple past tense in a dialogue. What did you do yesterday? But now in this video, I will focus on the types of simple past tense sentences that are affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence. Alright, simple past tense, affirmative, negative, interrogative, and mixed for that sentences. Alright, the learning objective for this meeting, I hope after you watch this video, you are able to use verbs in the form of past form in a sentence. And then the second one, you are able to make affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. And the last one, you are able to ask and give information about past events. Yeah, students, as I said before in the last video, this is a reflection about simple past tense. We use simple past tense to express an activity completed in the past. So if you want to talk about your activity in the past or your experience, your activity that already happened in the past, you have to use this rule, that is simple past tense. Well, the types of sentences. The first one is affirmative sentences or positive sentence, and the second one negative sentences, and the last one is interrogative sentences. I hope after you watch this video and you do the exercise, you can make these three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Let's discuss it one by one, starting from the affirmative sentences. Alright, the affirmative of the simple past tense is simple. Here the example. The first one, I was in Japan last year. She had a headache yesterday. We did our homework last night. Students, I'll give you the explanation a little bit about the rule, how we use the simple past tense here. Starting from the first sentence, I was in Japan last year. Here you can see the bold word was. Why do we use was here? Because the time signal here is last year. It means that this activity is already happened in the past, last year, tahun lalu. The second reason why we use was rather than another verb, because in this sentence there is no base verb, right? So we have to use was. I was in Japan last year. For the second sentence, she had a headache yesterday. You can see in this sentence the time signal is yesterday. It means that this activity is already happened in the past. Yesterday, kemarin. She had a headache. We use had rather than have. Because this activity is already happened, so we have to use had. The third one, we did our homework last night. Again, the time signal is last night. It means that this activity is already happened last night, malam tadi atau tadi malam. We did our homework last night. So we have to use did, not do. Yeah, we did our homework last night. And after you know the rule how we use the simple past tense, yeah, here the formula of the simple past tense, starting from subject followed by verb plus ed. I worked. Yeah, it is for the regular verb, but it will be different if the verb is irregular. For example, he went to a bookstore last night. Yeah, in this sentence, you can see the verb is went. Yeah, went is the second form of go. He went to a bookstore last night. Okay, the second type of the sentences is negative form. In the negative form, there is no difference between regular and irregular verbs. Why? Yeah, because we in this type of sentence we use did not. Yeah, here we need an auxiliary verb did plus not. Yeah, because this is negative, so don't forget to put not after did. Did not. Or the short form of this did not is didn't. After didn't, we add the infinitive of the verb. Yeah, for example, if the positive sentence is he studied, so if you want to make a negative form of that sentence, just write he didn't. He didn't study. Yeah, don't forget to change the verb here with the base verb or infinitive verb. Study, not studied. He didn't study. I went. Yeah, the second example, I went. He didn't go, or I didn't go. I went, I didn't go. Yeah, so don't forget to change the verb, become the infinitive verb. I went, I didn't go. Yeah, this is the exercise for you. Let's do it together. Look at the pictures, write the negative sentences, and then check your answers. Okay, let's do it together, students. Okay, please have a look to the pictures. Here the subject is Tom and the verb is understand. Tom didn't understand. Yeah, this is the negative sentence. Tom didn't understand. Next. The subject is swim. The subject is he and the verb is swim. Okay. And the negative sentence of this picture is he didn't swim. He did not swim. Next picture, the subject is Sue and the verb is spend. If you want to make a negative sentence by using these words, yeah, the negative sentence is Sue didn't spend money. Sue didn't spend money. Alright, the next type of sentence, interrogative sentence, and provide with short answers. Alright, in the interrogative form, we put did in front of the subject. Yeah, this is the first rule. After the subject, we use the infinitive. So, in conclusion, after you use did, don't forget to change the verb into infinitive. Yeah. And for short answer, we use subject plus did or didn't. For example, did you buy the book? Did you buy the book? So after you use did in the interrogative sentence, yeah, don't forget to change the verb. Yeah, become infinitive. Did you buy the book? And the short answer is yes, I did. Or if you want to say no, no, I didn't. Did you buy the book? Yes, I did. Did. based on this first word. Yes, I did. But if you want to answer no, no, I didn't. Okay, the next example. Did the children study? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Why this short answer use they? Because the subject here is children. Children means more than one child, right? So we use they. Yes, they did. Or if you want to say no, no, they didn't. Okay, let's do the practice again. Ask questions according to the pictures with the verbs given, and then make short answers. Well, students, let's do it together. Okay, this is the first picture, and that are the words she and it. Yeah, please make a question based on this picture, and the correct sentence is: did she eat an ice cream? Did she eat an ice cream? Yes, she did. Yeah, you can see in this picture, this girl is holding an ice cream, right? So the answer is yes, she did. Did here based on the first word in the beginning of this sentence. Alright, the next picture, this one, and the words are they and sleep. And the correct sentence, if you want to make a question, is did they sleep? Did they sleep? Yeah, we use they because you can see in this picture there are two persons. So, did they sleep? And the short answer is no, they didn't. No, they didn't. Okay, this is the third picture, and the words are they and win. Yeah, and the correct sentence is did they win? Did they win? Yeah, and the answer, and the short answer is yes, they did. Yes, they did. Well, students, let's do the practice again. Yeah, answer the question, give complete answers, and then if the answer is negative, write the correct answer. Okay, students, let's do it together. Okay, this is the picture and the question. What did he cook? What did he cook? He cooked 2 lobster. He cooked 2 lobster. What did they eat and drink? Can you answer this question, students? Alright, the answer is they ate watermelon and drank juice. Alright, the third picture and the question, how did they travel? Okay, can you guess the answer of this picture, students? Okay, how did they travel? And the answer is they traveled by bus. They traveled by bus. How about this one? Did he live in Finland? Did he live in Finland? Yeah, based on the picture, the answer is no, he didn't. And the correct answer, he lived in France. Did he live in Finland? No, he didn't. He lived in France. You can see in this picture there is a word France, right? So the correct answer is he lived in France. Okay, next picture. What instrument did she play? What instrument did she play? She played the violin. Okay, let's do the summary of this video. Okay, students, in this video we already discussed about how to form or how to make interrogative sentence, negative sentence, and affirmative sentence. Yeah, this is another example. While do the summary, I hope you can learn again about those three types of the sentences. Yeah, the first picture, they went to school. Yeah, this is a positive sentence. They went to school. Okay, this is a positive sentence or affirmative. And the second sentence, if you want to change this sentence into negative, here, they did not go to school. They did not go to school. Well, students, this sentence do not use when anymore because this word is already used did in the middle of the sentence here. They did not go to school. Yeah, this is a negative sentence. And then the last one, did they go to school? Did they go to school? So if you want to make an interrogative sentence or question, so you have to write did in the beginning of the sentence. Did they go to school? Yeah, this is a interrogative sentence. Alright, the next example, he swam. He swam. Yeah, this is a affirmative or positive sentence. And the second one, he didn't swim. He didn't swim. So, if you want to make a negative sentence, but the verb is swam, yeah, you have to change it into swim. Yeah, into infinitive. He didn't swim or he did not swim. So, this is a negative sentence. And the last one, did he swim? So as I said before, if you want to make a question, don't forget to put or write did in the beginning of the sentence. Did he swim? Yeah, this is a question or interrogative sentence. Where did he swim? Yeah, what is the difference between the third sentence and the fourth sentence? Yeah, the first sentence, did he swim? Yeah, this sentence needs a short answer. Yes, he did or no, he didn't. But in the last sentence here, where did he swim? Yeah, it needs a long answer. For example, he swam in swimming pool. Yeah, something like that. This is also a interrogative sentence. Well, students, after you watch this video, I hope you can understand all the materials that I already gave to you. Alright, it's time to you to do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a suitable verb in the past simple. So you have to fill in the blank space here with the verb in the form of simple past tense. Yeah, there are 7 questions and I already put this exercise into your Google Classroom. So please answer your exercise here in your Google Classroom. Alright, this is the end of the video lesson about simple past tense that focused on how to form affirmative sentence, interrogative, and negative sentence. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention, students. Don't forget to do your assignment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.